So my name is Alain Belil, CEO of Intellitech Engineering.
My name is Brian Schlumfeld. I'm the president of Pacific Metal Stampings. We manufacture custom metal parts for a wide variety of industries from aerospace to commercial and agriculture.
We've hired a lot of people in this age group over the last 10 years. And it's a challenge getting people to show up on time, getting people to take the opportunities that we're trying to present them because they figure they know it all already.
I think I'd say from the beginning of the program, I wasn't really sure if this was what I wanted to go into. I was a bit nervous at first. I wasn't really sure, is this for me? Should I really be doing this?
For years I was searching for a job, and then I finally heard about the UAA from a friend of my mother's, and she told me, hey, why don't you go try out this new Uniquely Abled Academy? It's for high functioning autism, you'd be good at it.
Before the program, I felt content. My job was good and I enjoyed it, but at the same time, didn't feel like it was something that was specifically for me.
I think the biggest benefit it's had is just reacclimating me to a solid schedule, going somewhere, being there each day for long hours. That has been the biggest benefit.
We have found Bryce has been a solid worker that really does a great job of staying on task. He's eager to take on more knowledge and try anything we throw at him.
I do really like working for Less Quality. It gave me the opportunity to improve myself by getting a better job that's more in a field that I feel I can move up in.
The guys are so appreciative of any input, any opportunity to learn something new. They grasp things much faster than the average students.
The predominant trait is very focused, very dedicated, attention to details. We do have clients who have high accuracy requirements, so the fact that they're very focused on accuracy and detail makes them perfect candidates for that type of work.
As for what I think I'm going to be doing in the future, I think I might go into engineering, get my degree, finish that up, maybe get my master's.
I think it gave me an opportunity to try something new and to grow as a person, and that it helped me learn different job techniques and how different industries work.
There's a lot of stigma that goes along with people putting conditions and boxes and limitations on people that we've seen. This group blows through those.
Yeah, I would definitely hire again. It'd actually probably be my first choice if I was trying to hire an entry-level position, would be checking with college academies to see what they have available.
If you're thinking about the program, I would definitely say, just give it a shot.